Stop whatever you are doing, because the landscape of FPV flight is about to be physically shattered. For years, we've had to make a choice. Do you fly a safe, cinematic FPV drone? Or do you strap an action camera to a fragile, custom rig for that jaw-dropping, impossible 360-degree footage? The choice was agonizing. The risk was enormous. We are diving deep into the most explosive, most revolutionary leak in DJI's history. Forget the incremental bumps of the past. Forget the competition. This is the DJI Avata 360, the drone that's not just merging two worlds, it's creating a new one. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we are going to expose the FCC filings and leaked schematics that confirm this beast is real. We'll uncover the dual-sensor camera system that records in impossible 8K 360, but can instantly pivot for traditional FPV flight. We'll dissect the 25-minute flight time that doubles the performance of its rivals. And we will confront the one crucial truth. This isn't just an FPV drone. It's a professional cinema tool in a compact, crash-proof cage. If you are a creator, an FPV pilot, or someone who simply demands footage that defies gravity, you must hear this. The Avata 360 isn't a rumor. It's an imminent reality. Prepare to enter the hyperverse. Let's fly. Let's start with the central component that defines this drone, the camera. The Avata 360, confirmed by FCC documents, is rumored to feature a revolutionary dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor setup. This is a massive leap in sensor size for the Avata series. Bigger sensors mean exponentially better low-light performance and dynamic range, crucial for those dramatic, high-contrast FPV shots. But here is the technical magic. These two sensors work in tandem to capture a full 360-degree 8K video at 50 frames per second. Think about creative freedom. Fly the drone anywhere, in any orientation, and reframing the perfect shot in post-production. You never miss a moment because you're recording everything. Imagine a perfect barrel roll where you dynamically pan the camera inside the goggles to follow the subject, all while the final video is flawlessly stabilized and reframed. But the 360 capability is just the beginning. Leaks show a dynamic, adjustable tilt mechanism that allows the dual camera system to rotate to face forward. In this mode, the drone switches to a cinematic 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, giving you super smooth, butter slow motion footage in a traditional FPV perspective. This versatility, the ability to be both a dedicated FPV Cinewhoop and a professional 360 camera rig, is the single most compelling reason why the Avata 360 is an absolute game-changer. This camera system isn't just a recording device, it's a time machine for your creativity. The biggest limitation of any Cinewhoop or FPV drone is, and always has been, flight time. The Avata 360 is here to shatter that expectation. Leaks confirm a battery capacity increase of roughly 26% over its predecessor, with a massive 38.67 watt-hour capacity. What does that mean in the air? Rumors suggest a phenomenal, segment-leading flight time of up to 25 minutes. Think about that. 25 minutes of continuous 8K 360 filming. This is practically unheard of in a compact, protected FPV drone.